Good food is the only thing that can get you out of any crisis. Some people think this as a crisis, some people take it as an opportunity. For last 30 days, entire family is together in one house. Today we are going to make drumstick sambar with ghee roast chicken and also garlic chili potatoes. For making the sambar, add oil in a pan, mustard. The mustards need to splutter a little bit. Add red chili, add cumin seeds, methi seeds, curry leaf, onion and garlic. And since this is drumstick sambar, wow, look at this, from my parents' house, and cut this drumstick and add to this, mix all of this. In this, add green chili. This drumstick has a very special flavor that we love in sambar. Little bit of cumin seed powder, chili powder, coriander powder, and saute it, and in this add water. Now these drumsticks are half cooked. We're going to add tomatoes in this, tamarind juice, and also we're going to add some coconut paste, and make sure that the coconut paste, fresh coconut paste, is finely ground. So add to this. This will give a very nice aroma for our drumstick sambar. And also, while boiling dal, I added turmeric and also some hing. With the spoon only mash it. I do not like when people put it in the blender to make a paste out of it. So just like this, add more water. Add to the drumstick mixture, and you can adjust the water, the salt and the seasoning. Later, in the last, we are going to add just coriander leaves. In this, add very little jaggery. Finish off by adding some chopped coriander, and in the meanwhile, let's make this ghee roast chicken. For the ghee roast chicken, in the boiling water, add salt, add turmeric, add whole garam masala. This brine chicken, that means I have soaked the chicken in salt water for at least 3 hours. Then bring this to a boil. The chicken has to be almost 85% cooked. While the chicken pieces are boiling, they still need to cook for some more time. Kadhai, add ghee. Okay, I think that should be enough. If we need more, we'll add later. And when the ghee is nice and hot, the ghee roast comes wonderful when you add a lot of red chillies. So add red chillies, and the color of the chillies need to change a little bit. Add mustard seeds, fennel seeds, curry leaf. In this, add onion. This onion is what is going to be masala. In this, add salt, and let these onions cook on a medium flame till they are nice and slightly golden. Now in this, add ginger garlic paste, add coriander powder, cumin powder, a little bit of garam masala, add some tomatoes, very little, green chili, crushed pepper, and let this masala cook till this becomes like a kind of a paste. Now in this, add chili powder, and the chicken is almost boiled, but there is small amount of water. I do not want to throw that water away. Just add this water in this. So this water will give this chicken very good taste. Now cook it till some of the ghee comes out. You got to see the ghee is coming out, and that is when you add the boiled chicken and little bit of moisture. This masala will coat this chicken, and that is how you make your ghee roast chicken. There are so many recipes of ghee roast chicken, but this is another one which I want to teach people who are new to cooking. So look at this. Reduce the flame. In this, add some chopped coriander, squeeze in lime juice. The dogs know the chicken roast is getting ready. Look at it. Put the lid on and let it cook on a slow flame for another 5 minutes so that the juices all come together. Look at this beautiful, wow, nice coating, masala that. The meat has to be nice and juicy, and this is perfect. Wow. Now I'm going to make garlic chili potatoes. For dosa masala and all that, I make this garlic karam, this garlic chili powder. For that, I'm going to add some sesame seed oil. I boil the potatoes till they are nice and soft. Fully boiled, they should be soft. Literally, they should break into pieces. So add the potatoes. If you want, you can add 1 or 2 pieces of garam masala. And this potatoes have to fry in this oil. Like this. And once they fry, that's when we're going to add the garlic chili powder. So this is the garlic chili powder which I made. This is very spicy but super tasty. Look at this. The potatoes are nicely boiled. They get slight color. If you want, you can color them a little more, but this should be good enough. In this, add this garlic chili. Okay, that's enough. And saute it. And I'm telling you, this will be one of the tastiest potatoes you have ever eaten. Wow, chili garlic potatoes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at the potatoes. Look at the potatoes. Look at the potatoes. We got the sambar ready. We got the chicken ghee roast ready. We got these garlic potatoes ready. The queen is ready. Let's serve. Along with the sambar, for the vegetarians, this is the kind of potatoes they will love. For chicken lovers, I've got nice hot chicken. Cooking is very easy when you have the strong desire to cook the best food for your loved ones. Just keep saying ding chiki, ding chiki, ding chiki, ding chiki, ding chiki, and take a piece of chicken, ghee roast. Wow. See, look at it, how it's coming off the bone. Absolutely perfect, very tasty and perfectly cooked with the ghee flavor. Drumstick sambar is, my God, best thing ever in the world. And the potatoes with that, wow, garlic karam. Friends, make awesome food at home. Eat every day. Blessed